guys, you having fun? What area do you like? All of this? What do you like about it? Yeah. This is probably going to be the least interesting video if that's possible, but this is my impression of the very large antenna array. It's quite an array, meaning they are spread out. So like, I always imagined they would be like in a cluster, and like they're near each other, but they're pretty far apart. Like they are big, but they're like spaced out. So it's not like you're walking into like a condensed field the way you would with like the, say like wind turbines. Like there's a good jaunt between the two. So yesterday was terrible, which I will explain some other time. Today is nice, and we are doing our first night dry camping through Harvest Host. So we're in this little grassy area. The trailer's there. Bar there. So you can see everything. Nice little spot for the kids to go around. It's pretty exciting. This area, do you like camping here? What do you like about it? Did you guys see anything different about this place or what? What did it come with? Did it come with sheep? She's like, I like this spot over here, the dirt spot. On your mark, get set, go. Now, happy birthday, dear you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lydia. Happy birthday to you. And many more cha-cha-cha underpants. So this is a quick reminder. It seems obvious maybe to some people, but it wasn't to us, that when you're boondocking, you stay connected to your car, at least with our model, in order to get access to the 12 volts. Alright, I'm going to do my best to explain what's going on here and see if I can figure this out. I think this is what the problem is. So, when I test these connections, I find that I have 12 volt power, right, coming from the battery here, right? But then when I go here, so these first two I have it, and then when I get to this third one, I have 12 volt on this side and then not on this side. So whatever is running into this conduit, which I then test everything in the breaker, is not getting power. So when I go inside, there's no 12 volt power. So I think there's something wrong with this connection, and we'll see if that's the case. And so once I tested that, I had the good fortune of trying to undo that bolt. And then what happened was, when I was undoing the bolt, it arced, and I was like, well, maybe I can close the connection that way. So I just laid the wrench in there, right? And then look what happened. I walk out, and I go around here, which is very exciting, I'm sure. And I turn on the lights, and look at that. We have 12-volt power. Huh. Everything's working. I found the problem. Wow. Feels good. So it turns out, once I got this circuit breaker off, I pulled it off, cleaned it off, and looked at it, and it turns out there's a reset button. So there's several of these here, and then I think there's even some on the other side. So if you're ever having a 12-volt problem, I guess this is a really good place to start troubleshooting before you pull things off. An important lesson. So this is important because we're about to go to Melissa's, and having power is the battery is really, really nice, and we're doing much better after the Mexico emotional fiasco, and they are having a good time. They liked last night. I didn't take any pictures really other than the goats, but it was beautiful. This is what park? Glen something? Anyway, we found a creek. Heather got coffee and we got tacos. And we did not have to intermingle with a bunch of sweaty young people. And our naked children are set free. So this worked out great. So because Austin's a bit of a hot spot, we're doing more social distancing here. But we did spend time in Melissa and Rob's house, which was our first non-strict COVID interaction, and learning from that. What did you think? What did you think of that swimming area? Yeah. What did you like about it? Sienna lady, did you like that swimming area? Look, did you like the swimming area or do you like the trees? Yeah, it was pretty, right? It was pretty like you. Just trying to remember this morning what I did. So, important note to self and to anyone in the future. Whenever you raise and lower the trail, make sure you moved everything out of the way, because I almost crushed Shannon's bike today because it got rolled underneath the front part of the trailer. So just remember that.
Lake Charles was a big one. Orange County line.
Oh, we made it. This is an uninteresting transition. I'm working, she's driving. She looks like is it the Blair from Terminator? Linda Hamilton?
I'm so glad I have that.
Right, so she's right. This video is garbage. But there's trees in the park, and we thought that was interesting. There's a boat going next to the trees. So, again, this is Louisiana for you. And the question that we have is, because we're not on the internet, is a bayou and a swamp the same thing, or are they different? We determine.
The lake is still pretty fast.
So, where did we stay last night? What area? Someplace near Lafayette.
Yes.
Down on the bayou. It was a really, really nice campsite with a beautiful sunset. We had good food, and we went for a bike ride. And it was lovely. Kids had fun, and there was like a giant splash bed, which they loved. There was a pool. It was basically just like a puddle, but it was still really, really fun. And this is where we are now. We're driving across this. There's like 26 miles of bridge. It's the 18.2, 14th longest bridge in the world?
The total of 96,022 miles. It is the third longest bridge in the United States.
Yeah, and
the second longest on the internet.
Yeah, this is amazing.
I gotta know more about the swamp.
This bridge and the swamp difference is fantastic. You definitely don't want to break down here.
I for frequently.
I want to go to the lab closer. I'm getting fire. I'm getting fire.
Good job, brother.
You knew it was there, didn't you?
Oh,
Whoa, look at that move.
Did you get around the farter?
Rattled it.
Look at that. Climbing out by himself. Whoa. Running. So this isn't going to be an interesting video. It's just to document the fact that we're watching Willy Wonka for the 800th time because we only downloaded 2 movies for in the car on the iPad, which actually they've done a really good job not watching that many movies, but I just wanted to say that that's pretty impressive to go over 2,000 miles all the way across. We're in Florida now. We're a couple hours from her parents' house. They have only watched those 2 movies in the car. So last 50 miles coming into Smyrna.
I want you to do it.
Almost there. Everyone's in good spirits.
The first thing I want you to do is I want to do it. Put on my swim shorts and I jump in.
In the pool. Yep.
The
Going
pool
to
or
the
the
pool.
ocean?
Or the ocean.